Jupiter is so massive it could fit every planet in the solar system inside it and still have space left over. This isn't just a planet, it's a cosmic giant that dominates everything around it. To put it into perspective, Jupiter could hold over 1,300 Earths by volume. It contains more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined, making it the undisputed king of our solar system. But here's where it gets strange. A full day on Jupiter lasts only about 10 hours. It spins so fast that the entire planet bulges outward at the middle, creating a visibly squashed shape. Now imagine a storm so big it could swallow Earth. Jupiter's Great Red Spot has been raging for over 300 years, and although it's shrinking, it's still one of the largest storms ever observed. And here's the twist. Jupiter doesn't even have a solid surface. It's made mostly of gas, so if you tried to land on it, you'd just sink deeper and deeper into crushing pressure and extreme heat. Orbiting this giant are more than 90 known moons, including 4 discovered by Galileo Galilei. One of them, Europa, may hide a vast ocean beneath its icy crust, possibly containing more water than Earth. Jupiter's magnetic field is the strongest of any planet in the solar system. It's so intense that it traps deadly radiation capable of destroying spacecraft in minutes. Those beautiful colored stripes you see aren't calm clouds, they're violent jet streams. Winds on Jupiter can exceed 600 kilometers per hour, shaping its iconic banded appearance. Jupiter also plays a dangerous double role in space. Its massive gravity can deflect incoming asteroids, but it can also fling them toward the inner solar system. It's both protector and threat. In 1994, scientists witnessed this power when fragments of a comet slammed into Jupiter after being torn apart, an event known as the Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 impact. The explosions were so massive they left scars bigger than Earth. And here's something truly mind-blowing. Deep inside Jupiter may exist metallic hydrogen, a strange form of hydrogen that behaves like liquid metal and conducts electricity, something rarely found in nature. But the most shocking fact? Even though Jupiter is enormous, it's nowhere near becoming a star. It would need around 80 times more mass to ignite nuclear fusion, meaning it sits right on the edge between planet and star. Jupiter isn't just a planet. It's a powerful force shaping the entire solar system in ways we're only beginning to understand. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.